Hello, friends. Our girl Isa has pneumaticosis. Please note that it is not contagious. She has improved a lot and is slowly recovering. She is no longer covered in terrible scabs and blood. Of course, there is still a long way to go until full recovery. But it is nice to see her cheerful and wagging her tail. She is a grateful little dog. She enjoyed eating the fresh meat that was brought to her at the clinic. She needs it so much. We are preparing her to be transferred. We really need help for this little girl and her trip. The help is needed right now because there is an opportunity to transfer her. Please, I'm begging you, don't leave us halfway with this girl. Perhaps the dogs sense a threat to their lives. I don't know, but yesterday there were a lot of fights in the shelter. We managed to rescue a few, but many of the dogs were severely injured. There was information among animal rights activists that preparations were being made for the mass extermination of dogs allegedly accused of being infected with brucellosis. It's not only dogs who are behaving anxiously. People's nerves were on edge too. We all in a state of helplessness and anger. We demand to stop this madness. We demand that research on the subject of brucellosis be carried out not in a private shop, which they have been doing throughout the year, but in a trustworthy government institution. We demand respect for life. God gave them life, not people. Yesterday, the dogs kept in shelter were especially inadequate. Many dogs were left severely injured. The reasons are not clear. We can only guess. I promised myself not to rescue any more dogs. Enough already. But tell me, would you be able to pass by the injured dogs covered in blood? Past their sad eyes? Past their pain? You can judge me, but I was screaming on the phone asking to quickly take 3 bleeding dogs to the clinic. I don't know if we even have time to save them because they can hardly stand on their feet. And no one cares about them. And what can we do for them? Is it enough to say, I feel sorry for the dog and pass by?
$22 800 побрался. В ППЖ, с ППЖ забрали. Там подрали ее. У нее, оказывается, не только ухо. Вот у нее еще рана. Вот у нее еще рана. О, ее погрызли-то бедненькую. Вообще хорошо.
Well, we are humans. They look at us. Sometimes they don't even ask for anything. They will just die quietly. And we will just say, sorry. No, to be sorry and feel pity is not enough. We need to act. We need to save them. The situation is very tense. Veterinarian clinics, surgeries, foster care. And the main difficulty is to find passengers who will help transport the dogs that are cleared by doctors to fly. Not all wounded animals can survive a long flight. Here are 2 friends. They stayed together in the kennel. Rizhik desperately tried to attract humans' attention, but unfortunately no one paid attention at him. And I only found out about him in the evening. I asked to rescue him, but he was nowhere to be found. And and now Ryzhik is severely injured. A husky, Ryzhik's friend, consoled him and licked his wounds. He shielded Ryzhik with his body from other angry dogs. You need nerves of steel to see a picture like this. How can you leave them there? How can you walk past? The husky got lucky. He remained unharmed. He was rescued and taken to the foster care. There is a catastrophic situation with the foster care in this city. All our efforts are now being devoted to finding passengers who can transport the dogs and raising money. Everything needs to be paid for.
Боится, конечно, боится. Позвоночник где? Ребра. Тазовые кости. Все торчит.
The situation is so crucial that I'm ready to stand in the subway begging for money. There are so many dogs who need us and our help. And together we can save many other dogs desperately waiting for help. As always, we have two choices: to save them or just pass by. Please choose to save. They are still alive. I'm desperately asking for your help. There are no words.